Craving a quick and refreshing dessert? Look no further than the milk, ice cream, and strawberry delight. This simple yet scrumptious treat combines three key ingredients: fresh strawberries, creamy ice cream, and rich milk. Stick around to see how this delightful treat comes together. First things first, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of fresh strawberries, hulled and sliced, 2 cups of vanilla ice cream, 1.5 cups of cold milk, whole milk or your preference, and 2 tablespoons of honey or sugar, depending on your sweetness preference. Don't forget some fresh mint leaves for garnish if you like. Start by washing and hulling your strawberries, then slice them into thin rounds. Let your vanilla ice cream soften slightly for easier blending. Now that everything is ready, it's time to get blending. Here comes the fun part, assembling the delight. Start by layering a scoop of vanilla ice cream at the bottom of your serving glass or bowl. Pour a layer of the strawberry puree over the ice cream. Repeat these layers until you reach the top. Now, pour the cold milk over the layered delight. Optionally, you can sweeten the milk with honey or sugar. Just remember to stir gently to combine. Achieving the perfect texture and sweetness level is all about balance. Almost done. Just one last step to go. It's time to add the finishing touches. Adorn your delight with fresh mint leaves for a splash of color and zing. Serve immediately with a long spoon and relish in the luscious layers. And there you have it. Your milk, ice cream, and strawberry delight is ready to be enjoyed. So, what are you waiting for? We've journeyed through the simplicity of this recipe, from preparing fresh strawberries and ice cream, to layering them in a glass, pouring in chilled milk, and adding a dash of sweetness. The result? A delightfully refreshing dessert that's as easy as pie. Feel free to experiment, maybe add a scoop of your favorite ice cream or a sprinkle of granola. The possibilities are endless. Don't forget to enjoy each spoonful of this delightful treat. Until next time, happy dessert making!